Mariners, 4 goals and a clean sheet. What did you think of your team's performance tonight?
I think performance-wise, yeah, I thought we were on it in bits. But to be truthful, first thing I said to him tonight, look, we need 3 points on the board. I think we've been very disappointed with the last couple of games. Losing 2-1 to Aber was a shocker on Saturday. We didn't turn up for Connors Key, and then that 86th minute in Newtown. So we haven't really got points on the board, which we really should have deserved, in my eyes. But great performance for the boys. 4 goals and a clean sheet, as you just said.
And you mentioned Saturday's result. Was it important to bounce back with the result tonight?
Yeah, I think we are a young side, as I keep saying, but character, with the young squad that you've got, and I think they've showed it tonight, mate. The back four, I thought they were excellent tonight. They've won everything. When they needed to keep the ball simple, we've kept possession. We've gone backwards, we've gone sideways, and then to get our key players in midfield that can play football for us. At times, yeah, we look threatening, and a decent performance, mate.
You mentioned your midfielders there. Stephen Hewitt's played his first couple of games for the club now. What have you made of his contribution so far?
Yeah, Steve brings a lot of professionalism to it, mate. He's got a lot of quality on the ball. Fair dues to the boy. I don't think he's kicked the ball for 4 months, because obviously in Australia it's been the same down there with the COVID-19. But he's come here. He's bouncing in the dressing room. He wants to get back on board and he wants to play football. And when you got that energy that he's got, and a glimpse tonight when Jamie Veal and him basically linked up, yeah, they look decent, mate.
And unfortunately, Johnny Evans had to go off with an injury towards the end. How's he doing? I thought his overall performance was terrific tonight.
Yeah, what Johnny gives you, he's a bubble, isn't he? He just runs. That's key. He's got so much energy on that pitch. When John's on it, he does create a lot of problems. I'm hoping, our physio just said, it's between a month and 6 weeks. My honest opinion, I'm hoping our physio's wrong. I'm hoping 2 weeks. But let's see. We've got some quality and fantastic physios at the club who are working tireless basically to make sure everything is correct at the club, and hoping that it can work wonders for us.
And finally, the club was devastated to hear of the passing of Tony Payne this morning. I thought that was a really fitting tribute to Tony tonight.
Yeah, I think everybody was shocked. We've heard obviously that he wasn't well. Doctor gave him 10 weeks to 3 months, and then when you hear that this morning, yeah, not good. But overall, I'm hoping Tony would be looking down on us with that 3 points tonight. And as I said to the boys, sometimes football gets lost in life in general, and
Absolutely.
With what's going on. And I hope they'll be smiling on us tonight. And Tone, that's for you, mate. 3 points for you, mate.
Absolutely. Gav, thanks very much for your time.